Do you know that many people love to grow their own plants at home, since this activity is pleasurable, rewarding and is good for you in many different ways. However, taking care of plants is not an easy task and many people usually end up not even trying this activity. When you are planting seedlings, it is very important to pay close attention to the quality of the soil. If the quality of the soil is not good, your plants will grow weak and will not survive. We have seen that many people today use fertilizers to grow their plants. Although they are available easily in the market, but they are in fact bad for the environment due to their toxicity. So if you are planning to start your own lovely garden at home, then this powerful tip from us will help you in this regard. This tip will help you in improving the overall quality of the soil in your garden. For this tip, you would require an egg and a banana. The great combination of egg and banana will give your garden the nutrients it needs to grow your plants fast. First of all, you need to dig a deep hole in your garden and place the egg and banana in that deep hole. Now you need to place the plants in that hole as well and then cover them with soil. Very soon you will see your plants growing healthily in your garden. Now you might be wondering how this works. Actually, the egg and banana begin to rot and degrade in the soil underneath your plant and are able to pass the rich nutrients from it to the rest of the plant. The nutrient mix from the decomposed banana and egg includes potassium, phosphate, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and sodium. This is the reason your plant will give a boosted growth and will become strong. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.